Hey everybody, it's Gary here, live in the AI Wellness universe. Today we are looking at the Easy AI system and we are checking out the logo Maker Star. If you haven't tried this yet, this is pretty awesome. If you're looking for a logo for your business or this is a pretty easy way to get it right here. So business or product name. So we are AI Wellness. Oops. Universe. I don't know if I can spell it right. Might help. Short description of your business, AI. Let's go Easy AI app system for wellness entrepreneurs. And let's keep this simple. We'll pick for me. We'll let it pick for us. Okay, how about that? And let's create the logo, see what we get. As you can see, that was minimal prompting. Doesn't take much to throw in there, and the system will help you out, especially when you're maybe having a block of ideas, creativity. It's always great to kind of see what the AI will give you, and then you can make adjustments off of that. Look at that, that was pretty quick. So check out these logos here. You get quite a few different ones to go with. So there you go. It's pretty simple to create a new logo, and you see we did it pretty simple. We did the pick for me, but you can choose all these different options to create your logo. So you have plenty to work with. It's pretty easy, and as you can see, it was really fast. So try this out, play with it, and see what you can do. Thank you so much. I hope this helps. Till next time, take care.